Hi there, it's good to have you here again. I'm Oluwakemi and this is question 13, Economics WASSCE exam 2018. The question goes thus: a supply curve parallel to the x-axis indicates. So first I would like to mention two important points that can help us to differentiate elastic and inelastic. Okay, this is really important. All right, so the first point is that any straight line supply curve that intersect the vertical axis. Okay, this is the vertical axis. That intercept the vertical axis will be elastic, and its value will lie between 1 and infinity. Okay, then the second point is that a straight line supply curve that intersect the horizontal, this is the horizontal axis, a straight line that intersect that is going to be what? Inelastic. Good, you're correct. Fine, so let me write this out. This is going to be elastic and this is going to be inelastic. Alright, so let us go to the question. It says, so that means that whatever the question says that is parallel to the x-axis, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So we're going to be looking at elastic supply, not inelastic, because it's going to touch the y-axis in order for it to be parallel to the x-axis. So this is already out. Inelastic is already out. We're not going to look at that. So for fairly elastic means that it is just going to there's a huge change in the price, but the quantity supply is just it just causes a minor change in the quantity supply. So it means that the slope is going to be steep, almost like this. So, and this is not parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so this is wrong. Then the last option is the infinitely elastic supply. And what that means is that this is an extreme case of an inelastic supply, whereby we have only one quantity that can be supplied all through to infinity. Okay, good. So answer option B, infinitely elastic supply, is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.